you saying, guys? It's Reece and
Mono
from Race Planet. I'm gonna get to the video, the title, and the minute intro in a sec. But firstly, I just want to say sorry that I haven't been active on the Race Planet. I've been so busy. I've actually moved into a new house. This here is all a new house. So the past month has been absolutely manic. Probably a bit longer than a month actually. The inside of my house is done now. The outside still looks like a building site. So yeah, I just ain't had the time. And when I have had the time, I just ain't had the energy to do Race Planet stuff. I've actually got, no word of a lie, there is about 10 videos that have been filmed but that need editing. This video here that I'm about to show you now or talk about, I should have filmed about 3 weeks ago. Because yes, the Scooby is broke. It needs major surgery, you know. And yeah, like I said, this happened a few weeks ago. One day I just got in the car and started it up. Actually, tell a lie, I was in the car the day before and I was driving home, but I was late. For something anyway. So as I was pulling up onto my drive, putting it in the garage, I thought I heard a noise. I thought, hey, it's not supposed to sound like that. But because I was so late and rushing, I just threw the car in the garage, went and done what I needed to do. The next day I come out, pulled the car out of the garage, started it up, and I'm thinking, that don't sound too healthy. But if you're new to the channel, I am a Subaru man. Like, this is not new to me. Like, this is... Can you stop throwing up gang signs in the video, please? This is not new to me. This is gonna be fourth engine that I've murdered. Well, technically, I think this is my third engine, and also my brother did one as well. Are you alright? Can you chill out, please? Just chill, please, chill. Anyway, as I was saying, so it's nothing new to me. Now, obviously, at first, when I started hearing the knock jokes, I'm thinking, flipping out, forged engine, But when you look at the bigger picture, the car and the engine was built, gotta be about 7 years ago. As far as I'm aware, the car has not had no engine hasn't had no refresh or anything. I think the engine's done 30,000 miles. Now, if you know anything about Subarus and forged engines, even if they're forged, if they're being driven hard, you should get them refreshed every, say, 10,000 miles or so. So when you add all that in, and then along comes Reece, aka thinks he's Colin McRae. Turns the boost all the way up, throws meth in it, and starts driving like his name is Colin McRae. It's only going to end one way. Do you know what I mean? So, yeah, the engine needed a rebuild. So, yeah, I'm going to roll some footage now of me taking the car up to MB Developments, and I'll hit you back up on the other side, man. So, with Dave, we just recovered my truck to MB Developments. Done a great job. Where can I find it, Dave, when they need their cars recovered?
07525 25 05 06.
See it there? So when you need a car recovery, yeah? Phone Dave, you got his number. Sound, please. I've done something to my car, mate. The engine's knocking. The engine's playing knock jokes. MB developments with a broken engine is nothing new. I mean, I've done this trip about 5 times. This is my 5th time. You know what I mean? It's nothing new. I don't know. Say walk one.
Walk one.
So yeah, car has been dropped off to MB Developments. They're gonna get the engine out, get it over to Paul Finch. If you know, you know. Only the best gonna be messing with my engines. And yeah, we're gonna take it from there. He's gonna open it up and see what the damage is, and we'll take it from there. So yeah. On how much damage. I think it's like a quick job, or do you think it's fucked?
Fucking hell.
Sometime today, mate.
Easy fix, man.
Easy fix.
Easy fix.
She's sick. She needs to see the doctor.
So yeah, I took the car up to MB Developments. Anything to do in my car always goes to MB Developments. They always look after me. Matty, Jono, and the rest of the lads up there always look after me. So yeah, took the car up to there. They ripped the engine out and they sent it to Paul Finch, the man himself. If you know about Subarus, you know Paul Finch is the man. So yeah, the engine was sent up there. He took it apart, and to be fair, he said that it wasn't actually as bad as what he thought it was going to be, but the car, he said the engine was very worn. So even if the issue that happened didn't happen, it would have been a major failure soon anyway, due to it just being a worn engine. Now, like I said, because I've took so long to actually record this video, the engine has actually been built already and is back at the shop with my car. My car will be back on the road probably by the time you've seen this video. So yeah, there's a running in period to do, which is about 1,000 miles, so it's not nothing much. So yeah, compared to you guys, from you knowing and it being fixed, there's going to be no time. But like I said, it's been about off the road for about a month, but because of what I've had going on outside of Race Planet, I haven't really missed it at all. To be fair, I could have done with having a blast every now and again, because this bloody house moving's been stressful. But yeah, it is what it is. Like I said earlier in the video, this stuff is not new to me. Failed engines, yo, I know what comes with the territory. I'm a Subaru man, I know about Subarus. I know what comes with Subarus, especially when you drive them the way I drive them. You know what I mean? Like I said, this is my 4th engine that I would have blown up, however you want to, killed, murdered, strangled, drowned, however you want to put it. So it's nothing new to me. The only knock-on effect that this has actually had is, obviously, if you follow the channel, you know that I was going to be buying a track car. Now obviously that's going to have to wait, because the funds that were there to buy the track car have went into the engine rebuild. So that's going to have to wait. That's still going to be coming, but obviously that would have already been, I would have already bought that car if it wasn't for this. But it is what it is. Anyway, stay tuned. Like I said, so there is literally, I'm not joking, there is about 10 or there's more than 10 videos that need to be edited and uploaded. And now I'm getting my life back. I'm getting a bit of spare time back and getting a bit of energy back and focus. I'm going to start getting onto them and getting them out to you guys as quick as possible. So yeah, please like the video, leave a comment down below, How many engines have you blew up? Or tell me some stories about when you've blew up your Subaru. You know what I mean? Come on, who can beat mine? This is going to be my 5th engine. 5th engine since 2000 and when did I first get? About 2015? 2015. So 5 engines in 6 years. So pretty good. I'm nearly on 1 a year, mate. I'm nearly done. Now I'm planning. That's it now. Do you know what I mean? I'm planning not to have any more. And yes, if you haven't already, subscribe so you can follow the recovery of the Subaru and also all the other content that we're coming up, Sorry. So yeah, Race Planet. Till next time. Peace.